Hello all. So today I'll be discussing about few important points which one need to check before buying a resale property. First and foremost important point is check the chain of documents. It should be complete from the allotment letter to the first owner to the sale deed in the favor of the last owner or the current owner from which you are buying the property. Check for the OC or the occupation certificate of your property. Second point, see the construction quality of the property. See if there is any leakage, seepage, or any waterlogging happening in the property. For that, I would suggest you that try to go and visit the property during the rains. That would give you a clear picture in case there is any leakage or waterlogging happening, because that becomes very difficult to remove from a property. Third point, check for the rental yield and the property prices in the neighboring area of your property. Fourth, very important point I would like to say is that even if you can afford completely a property, at least take 10% of the bank loan. Bank would check each and every legal document pertaining to your property. Secondly, bank would take out a technical value of a property which would give you a better idea of the property prices of your property. Fifth point, see if what is the maintenance charges of the property. In certain cases it is higher. Sixth, very important point, see if the property is made according to the approved plan from the local body. In certain cases, what happens is that the owner makes changes later on after taking the approval from the local body, which can be a problem in certain cases. So, bye for now. Hope it helps you.